Quick video here. I was replacing the positive battery cable in my 560 SL, and this is the trunk and where the battery goes. One of the first things I noticed is how much dirt and road dust and mess had gotten in this car since 1987. It's 2021 now. Some of this is like corrosion from the battery, but a lot of it's just mess and dust. We grew up on a dirt road, so that's definitely a good portion of it, but it's just surprising all the same how much got into this supposedly sealed off area of the car. Anyhow, folks online who I asked advice of mentioned that this panel here that covers the fuel tank and I'm guessing that's a vapor expansion or a charcoal canister, one or the other above it, needed to come off to get to it, but it does not. The battery cable goes through that white plastic thing. You can see the string I have going through it. And it's not visible from above, even when you remove that cover. So there's no need to do that. But for folks who need to replace these rubber lines due to fuel smell, there's two here, two there, and one right there goes up underneath. Anyhow, for folks who need to replace those lines, I'm sure there's one more that heads up towards the engine bay. You have 10 nuts, bolts, however you want to call them here. They go across the top. You have 2 on either side, right there. And there's one right there, one right there. And then 12 along the bottom. They also hold the spare tire on here. And there's a few under this foam pad, it just lifts up. And then that comes off, except they're designing the car, I don't know if it's for stiffening or anti-noise or what the purpose is, but there is a Phillips head screw, a small one, that goes through here in the middle of the panel. So for all these bolts along the top, you only have to peel the carpet back just a tiny bit to get to them. But for this other one, you got to peel a whole bunch of carpet back, which is quite frustrating. So I don't know if I'm going to put it back in when I put this thing back together. But that's how it comes off, in case anyone was wondering. And if you're replacing your battery cable, headed back up to the engine bay, that channel there's no clamps or any access to that plastic channel behind the panel, so there's no need to remove it. So hopefully that'll be helpful for somebody.